Alright, Mr. Loud Exhaust just leaving work. You know I like my coffee, so I gotta go get some coffee now. Let's go get some coffee. Gas is $1.05 a liter, and everybody's packing the gas station. Does that mean gas is gonna go up tomorrow? You know what? I do need some gas, so I'm under half a tank, so we're gonna stop over there and see real quick. What you buying? Medium black sweetener on side?
Yes.
Alrighty.
Alright,
I'll get a medium coffee double, and medium coffee black with sweetener on the side.
medium double, medium orange with contact sugar, anything else?
Oh, sorry. The black tea was a sweetener on the side.
The black coffee was a sweetener on the side?
Yeah.
Alright, anything else?
Well, that's all. Thanks.
What's this one?
My engine light goes on every day it gets cold. But you know what? As of April 1st, that engine light don't matter no more because there's no more emissions tests. Thank you, Doug Ford. Canadian monopoly money. Thanks. There's your monopoly money. Oh, that guy is running that stop sign like a boss.
Hey, we should have been there.
Cruiser, we'll get 87 for $1.52 a liter. 89, 91, 94. That's for the charger. Well, let's mark it. We got full tank at 264,406. Now let's see how far we get. A quarter tank. Mr. Loud Exhaust. Let's put it in the PT Cruiser in cruise control. And take my feet off the pedals and just coast. Except for the car is driving itself. But I can also go like this. And then the car will go back to the speed I set it at. Alright, I'm going to take it out of cruise control for a minute. I'm going to show you something. You probably shouldn't do this. But I figured this out just messing around with the car. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what happens when you put it in neutral and gas on the floor. It won't rev over 4,000 RPM. You start your day with a coffee,
You know what day would have been?
and you end your day with a coffee. Alright, one more time for a sound clip. Let's roll the windows down. Slow the car right down. Okay, so there you have it. More than a quarter tank. 105 kilometers in 24 hours. How does it use that much gas? that makes sense.